Hello, this tutorial is all about how to get a match report or a news item or something like that onto your Clubnets league or club website in less than 5 minutes. Now, first of all, you may not recognise this page. This is a dashboard that is common with all Clubnets websites. If you don't recognise it, I urge you to check out the other tutorial on how to log into your website. That will take you into the dashboard, the front side of your website, flipping between the two, etc. Sort out anything issues you might have with passwords, etc. So please do that if you are unfamiliar with the Clubnets website. Now, I'm going to be using the Lakeside Athletic website as an example here. Nothing will go live on their website. They'll be pleased to know without my permission. But I could have chosen any website, but I've decided to choose that one. Just like to say, first of all, congratulations to Lakeside Athletic, who shortly before me recording this video, they'd wrapped up the treble in the South Devon Football League, including the Herald Cup, the first ever Plymouth winners of the Herald Cup. But I digress. Here we go. This is the front page of the website. You cycle between those by just hovering over the club name and choosing View Site or Dashboard. Now that front picture is the one that's going to be changed. That links to the story, the match report or the story, as respectively. So by changing what you're going to do in this tutorial, you will change the image and the story that it links to. Now, most clubs are set up this way, with Clubnets, but yours might not be. So if that's the case, then contact me at info@clubnets.co.uk, and we'll go through how to set you up in that way if that's what you want to do. But most clubs are set up that way to make it really quick to change what's on your front page and keep you in date and everything. Now, this report here, we've got the George Belli Cup final. Obviously your match report will be there instead, and I've got it on a Google Doc. You can have it on a Microsoft Word doc, you could have it on OpenOffice, Pages, whatever you decide, as long as you can copy and paste from it. You can even do it on mobile device. I actually prefer doing all the work on a full-size laptop because it's easier for me, but if you're handy with the mobile and you like to copy and paste and you're happy with copying and pasting and everything like that, it can all be done by mobile. So you could have this report, for instance, on a mobile notes app, and as long as you can kind of press your finger down, copy and paste, you'll be able to follow these instructions. The dashboard might look slightly different on a mobile device, but you should be able to figure it out following the same instructions. Now, images. One of the things that you're going to probably want to put with your report, you need to put if you're going to have a front page image, is a picture. Now, you have a media library on your website. Now, if you've got photos already in the media library, that's fine. You can use them if you want. But 9 times out of 10, you'll probably want to upload a fresh photo from the match or something new. It's very important to make sure that the images are no bigger than 2 megabytes, really. Now, a future tutorial will tell you how to reduce those sizes, but mobile devices in particular will take really big images if you put them on full settings, so you will need to shrink those down. But this is assuming you've done that and you've got it on your on your computer somewhere or on your device. Now, the eagle-eyed among you will know this is not anything to do with the George Belli Cup in 2026. This is actually from 2023, but Fastly against Watts Blake Bean. But it's the best quality image I could get my hands on at short notice, so I'm going to use it. Like I said, nothing's going to go live on Lakeside's website, because otherwise that would confuse everybody. Now, the first thing you need to do is put that image into your media library. So there you go, up the top there, plus new media. That's all you need to do. You've got a file selector there. Click select file, find it on your computer. Again, it will also work on your mobile device. And then the little progress indicator at the left will show you when that's gone into your media library. And you can actually go in and add alt data and all that sort of stuff if you want, when you're more advanced. But for now, that's fine. It's there. You can use it. And that means that it's nice and easy to select for any posts. So that's what you need to do next, is add a post. So again, add new, and you want to choose post. Now post is what will change that front image. If you choose page, you'll add another page to your website. You don't want to do that for this. You want to change that front image. Go to your write-up, take that title, copy and paste it literally into that title field. Now, later on you might want to format these pages, but for now you can just literally copy and paste the writing and put that into that field there. If you look to the right-hand side of the screen, you've got post and block, 2 tabs there. Block will always highlight the block you're on, which in this case is the text block. Now, I always go into this little semicircle icon and choose medium, because I think this text size needs to be medium to look better on the front page. That's one little thing I do. You don't need to, you can have it smaller if you want, but you can play around with that. Now here I'm just going to put some example headlines, headings and subheadings. As you can see, I'm just slotting them in above the text there, and I'm just literally writing heading and subheading. And what you can do, you can change the blocks by clicking what's that paragraph thing there to heading. And there you can select H2 if you want, which is a good size heading, H3 for a good size subheading. And that just shows you how you can break up your text into different subheadings and things like that. So you've saved that, and there we go. We're all ready to go. Now you can go to the Post tab on the left-hand side. And this is where you choose your featured image. So you click Set Featured Image. You can see that photo we've just uploaded at the top of your media library there. You can also see all of your other photos. Click that, and that will be your front page image. You can actually then save it at the top here, your draft, and there's a little computer icon next to it which will enable you to preview it before you publish. Click that, preview a new tab, and you can see what it would look like if I did put it live. There's the image. Now if you wanted to publish it straight away, see the publish thing in the top right hand corner there, that blue button? You can do that. You can actually go up there, click publish, and then when you click that, where it says immediately, you can click that link there, and then at the top you can click now, and that will be live, and that will actually be 3 minutes 15 seconds from when we first started this uploading the content. So 3 minutes 15 seconds to go live. Now you may want to schedule or backdate the post. You can do that with the calendar facility at the bottom here. So in this example I'm going to go to August, sometime August the 4th, let's say, and look in the top right hand corner, that publish button changes to schedule. Now you're going to click that schedule button, and what that will do is it will schedule that post to go live on the 4th. You can change the date as I've done on the top there, the time that I've done on the top there as well. So there you go, that's what the post will look like when we put it live, and there we go, heading, subheading, as you can see as we wrote it. Now obviously before Lakeside Panic, it's not gone live, that's just showing you what it would look like. This is actually what it looks like now. That would go live on the 4th of August, but I'm obviously going to go in and delete all of that. And by the time you've read this, I have gone in and deleted all of that, so nothing to worry about. Okay, so hopefully that's given you an idea of how quick you can go from taking your match report photo to actually having it live on Clubnets. It's really good for us because it means your website looks up to date. It's really, really good for you because your website looks up to date, and sponsors can see that and everything. Keep your eye out for more tutorials coming soon.